Certainly. Here are 10 Halloween costume ideas to consider. 1. Classic vampire. Go for the timeless vampire look with a black cape, fangs, and pale makeup. Add some fake blood for a menacing touch. 2. Witch or wizard. Dress up as a witch with a pointy hat, broomstick, and a cauldron. Or go as a wizard with a robe and a wand. 3. Zombie. Create a gruesome zombie look with torn clothes, fake wounds, and plenty of face paint to make yourself look undead. 4. Ghost. Keep it simple with a white sheet with eye holes cut out. You can add creativity by decorating the sheet differently, like a friendly ghost or a spooky one. 5. Superhero. Pick your favorite superhero or create your own. Popular choices include Batman, Wonder Woman, Spider-Man, or Captain Marvel. 6. Movie characters. Dress up as a famous movie character like Harry Potter, Princess Leia, Jack Sparrow, or Elsa from Frozen. 7. Monster mash. Combine elements from different classic monsters like Frankenstein's monster, a mummy, and a werewolf to create your own unique monster costume. 8. Animal costumes. Go as your favorite animal, whether it's a cat, dog, lion, or even a mythical creature like a dragon or unicorn. 9. Historical figures. Pay tribute to a historical figure like Cleopatra, Abraham Lincoln, or a famous scientist like Albert Einstein. 10. Punny costume. Get creative with wordplay. Dress up as a serial killer by attaching cereal boxes to your clothes with fake knives, or become a smarty pants by sticking Smarties candies to your pants. Remember to add makeup, accessories, and props to enhance your costume and make it stand out. The key is to have fun and get into the Halloween spirit.